I just put up with some G's. He got a pack, we gon' get him. I had a bum in a denim. They gon' play you.
Alright, big shout out to Bullseye Cycle Company. They just sent us this package. I'm not sure what's in it, but we're about to open it and see what it is. So, yeah, their Instagram and the link to their website is going to be in the bio or the description. This tape on it. It's worm-proof.
Is that why Pop is opening
Decided
it?
he couldn't do it.
Here's they have pressed firmly. Ooh, it's that I'm gonna spin it around to give you a taste.
The sneak preview. It's a little bit. What is it?
Ah! Oh. Get it, get it. I know what that is. Damn. I can tell already. Look at the quality of that shit.
It's at 3.
Wow.
You got 2 white, 1 red.
That's crazy.
I'll open one right up. I'll open one right up. Just see.
No, dude. I'm about to go put one of them motherfuckers on. We got the medium?
No.
He wears a schmedium. Which one is that?
Large.
You don't wear large.
But I'm gonna try and get mine dirty.
Did you hear this? Oh, long sleeves. Yeah, that's efficient. That shit is crazy. That ain't no shabby shit either. This ain't like no cheap ass jersey.
Nice.
Look at that.
All the sponsors and stuff on it.
This is crazy.
Shout out to Bullseye, man.
Wow. This is big thing.
I see the red one now.
And the price that they charge for this quality is absolutely crazy. Unheard of.
This right here, the red.
Oh man. Yeah, that's absolutely crazy. Ooh-wee. Quality, baby, quality. You have no idea how this shirt feels. This jersey is ridiculous. These are not shirts, these are straight, yeah, that looks good.
It's like racing jerseys.
These are straight jerseys. Shout out. That's the video, right? Look,
Yeah.
Nigga, move. What the fuck is wrong? What's wrong with this thing? Yo, big shout out to Bullseye, Vans, Oakley, Planet BMX,
SC Racing.
SC Racing, Airborne BMX, Planet BMX,
You already said that. You already said that. You said
BMX, DMX, you get it? BMX,
Yeah, I heard.
PMS, DMX, that bitch. Alright, come on, post that shit.
All their stuff's gonna be in the description, all the links and stuff, so go follow them and go look at their website and stuff like that. Show love. They
Yo,
show
let's
love,
go
so.
to the picture with the bikes.
Alright, can I finish the video? Holy moly.